Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the class of English. Now students, today we are going to start with a chapter, A Tale of Two Birds. Now here you read it as chapter 1. Now this is not from the text. You have got a book of supplementary reading known as A Pact with the Sun. So this is the book that you have at your home. Now what you have to do is, this is a supplementary reading book and so you have to read it on your own. Now this book consists of stories and what you have to do is you have to read the stories. I'll be telling you the summary of the poem or the lessons which come across and you have to complete the exercise that is given to you. Okay. So let us see about the story, that is A Tale of Two Birds, in the chapter A Tale of Two Birds. A Tale of Two Birds is about a bird and her two newborn babies. Now, so cute babies. Now the bird took good care of the babies. They lived happily in the forest along with the different animals that were present in the forest. What happened one day? A big storm brought down the tree in which the bird's nest was. बड़ा सा तूफान आया और तूफान की वजह से क्या हुआ? पेड़ जो थे वो गिर गए. Now, what happened when the tree fell down? हम जिस घर में रहते हैं, अगर वो घर गिर जाता है तो क्या होता है? हमारा घर चला जाता है और हमारे लिए रहने के लिए कुछ नहीं बचता है. Same thing happened with the birds. The tree was cut down and it fell down. So now the birds were now hit by a heavy branch. The mother died. एक बड़ा सा पेड़ था, उसकी जो ब्रांच थी उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि मदर जो थी, मदर बर्ड, राइट, इट डाइड. अब मदर नहीं है तो बच्चों को कितना तकलीफ होगा, है ना, कितनी तकलीफ होगी. सो द बर्ड्स, द बेबी बर्ड्स, दे वर हेल्पलेस बिकॉज देयर मदर डाइड. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड टू द बेबी बर्ड्स? लेट अस सी. Okay, while the strong wind blew away the two little birds to the other side, they blew away to the other side of the forest. वो इतनी तेज़ हवा चली, उसकी वजह से वो दोनों दो साइड पे चले गए क्योंकि वो बहुत नाजुक होते हैं बच्चे. Now what happened to the two baby birds? One bird landed near the cave where robbers lived. जहाँ रॉबर्स रह रहे थे वहाँ पास की एक केव के पास एक बर्ड आके लैंड हो गया. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द अदर वन? द अदर वन लैंडेड आउटसाइड अ ऋषिज आश्रम. नाउ सी, दिस बोथ प्लेसेस आर क्वाइट ऑपोजिट. You can see that both the places are in the forest only, but there is one place where robbers live and the other place where the rishi lives. Now ऋषि जो होते हैं वो अच्छा काम करते हैं, वो भगवान का नाम लेते हैं, वो अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें करते हैं, लोगों को मदद करते हैं. Whereas when we talk about robbers, what do robbers do? Robbers, they rob people, they take away the money, they do theft in order to achieve money. So this is about the birds, where they reached. So you can see in this picture that one bird has fallen into the Rishi's ashram. You can see the hut that shows the place where the Rishi ashram is, and the other picture on the right side you can see the bird has fell down near a cave. So this is the place where robbers hide themselves in order to protect themselves from the people. and you have heard about the stories like Alibaba Chalis Chor and many other short stories where it is shown where the robbers live. Okay, now these birds, now time passed and they lived there happily, and they did their all work according to the place where they lived. Now in this picture you can see that there are three pictures describing something about a person sitting on the horse and he is coming somewhere. Now you can see a hut also, and so you can just imagine that a person might have visited the hut. In the second picture you can see some conversations written. You can see the cloud. Actually these clouds are the conversation, means the person who speaks. So that shows or that depicts the cloud. So you can see here that the bird in the third picture, the bird's beak is moving. So it shows that the bird is speaking something. And you can see one person coming in front, and the two people are facing each other. So you can just imagine the story. Now this is an interesting game. What you can do is you can stop the video here and you can imagine about the story what would have happened next, and that would be really wonderful. Now this you can do on your own. Now every time I just give you suggestions and I tell you to do some work, but I'm very happy that there are some students who follow my instructions and they do something. They even ask for suggestions, ma'am, what can I do in this and how can I create a story, can I do this role play, can I take these characters. So it is good, you can try on your own. This is a way of picture description or story completion. So this picture can be taken in two ways. One thing is don't go for the text part, you go only for the pictures and describe the story in your own words. And the other is you just see half the video and then you just imagine your own story, that what would have happened next. You have seen Hindi movies and you have seen that when two twins they get separated in the Mela, no? That old movies they always show that the two brothers they just get separated in the Mela and after many years they meet. So this is the story about birds. Now these two birds got separated and one went with the robbers and one went with the rishi. So what would have happened next? So this is the thing that you can imagine on your own and complete the story. Okay, for now I'll just complete the story for you. Okay, so what happened next? Time passed and the birds grew. जैसे जैसे समय जाता है वैसे बच्चे बड़े होते गए. One day the king came hunting in the forest. अब मैंने बोला था ना कि एक पर्सन आया है घोड़े पे बैठ के. Now see what he is. Now who he is? He is a king. So he came hunting. He came for hunting in the forest. Now what he was doing? He was chasing a deer that was deep into the forest. So he had lost his way actually. So he was just looking for the way in the forest. So when he got tired, he rested under a tree near the cave. तो केव के पास तो कौन था? रॉबर्स थे और वो बर्ड था जो केव के पास रह रहा था एक ट्री के ऊपर. Now see, this is an imaginary story and here you could find the bird talking. So actually birds don't talk, but when you write stories you can imagine anything. So here you can see that when the king is sitting here, you can't see the clothes of the king, but I just try to imagine and get a picture that the person is sitting under the tree and he is just finding the way and he is tired, he is taking rest. Now when he is taking rest, now he is hearing a voice crying out that someone was under the tree and he could be robbed of his jewels and horse. अब राजा है तो उसके पास बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी होगी और उसका घोड़ा भी काफ़ी बड़ा होगा और काफ़ी महंगा होगा. Now these robbers, they always loot the people. They take the jewels, they take the things that people carry. So now he heard a voice crying out कि पेड़ के नीचे कोई बैठा है और चलो उसको हम लूट लेते हैं. Now to his surprise, it was not a person talking, it was a bird who was talking about this. So the king saw a big brown bird on the tree saying this, and before anyone could come he fled on his horse quickly. अब राजा है तो क्या हुआ, भले ही वो करेजियस है, दो ही इज़ वेरी courageous, though he is very strong, but when the person is alone, then there is no use of showing this bravery or the courage. At that time he should be wise enough and he should leave the place, because the robbers may be having some weapons and they may even kill the king. And you see, the king had lost his way, so he did not have his courtiers, he did not have his army with him, so he was just alone. So the only option he had with him is to just move away from that place. So he just left that place. And you see the bird, it was just watching. Now these are two birds. Now see the next bird. The one which is with the rishi, what happened with him. Now the king then reached an ashram nearby. वहाँ से भागे वो दूसरी जगह पे चला गया. दूसरी जगह पे क्या था, एक आश्रम था. Now he saw a similar bird. Now ये भी एक brown bird ही था. But this was not telling about anything to be robbed. This one was welcoming the king into the ashram. Now see the opposite nature, the one who is telling the robbers to loot or to take away the things from the king, and the other one is the one who is welcoming the king into the ashram. Now when the bird saw that, the king was puzzled. अब जब राजा को लगा कि भाई ये किंग को क्या हो गया है, उस किंग सोच में पड़ गया कि अभी तो ये एक ऐसा बर्ड था जो मुझे रॉब करने की बात कर रहा था और ये मुझे वेलकम कर रहा है. तो जब हम ट्विंस को देखते हैं तो हमें क्या होता है, वी गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड दैट हु इज़ हुम ना, हम पहचानने में हमें काफ़ी दिक्कत होती है, वी गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड. सो सेम थिंग वॉज विद द किंग. सो द बर्ड एक्सप्लेन दैट द अदर बर्ड वॉज हिज ब्रदर हु हैड मेड रॉबर्स हिज फ्रेंड्स. हम जिसकी संगत में रहते हैं उसके जैसे हो जाते हैं. सो इट इज़ सेड दैट वी आर वॉट वी कीप आवर कंपनी. जो हमारी कंपनी होती है ऐसे ही हम हो जाते हैं. तो हमें कैसी कंपनी रखनी चाहिए. नो, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंपनी दैट इज़ ऑफ अ बिजनेस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्रेंड्स. कैसे फ्रेंड्स रखने चाहिए, ऐसे फ्रेंड्स रखने चाहिए जो हमें अच्छा बनने की प्रेरणा दे. दोज हु आर गुड एंड हु हेल्प अस टू बी गुड. So he said about the bird told about the other brother who was living with the robbers and he became like them. And even the rishi knew about the story. So he explained the story of the two birds to the king when he came back to the ashram. Now when the king had eaten, आतिथ्य तो करते हैं जो ऋषि मुनि होते हैं, उनके आश्रम में कोई भी आता है तो उनको खाना खिलाते हैं, उनको आराम करवाते हैं. So the king also was welcomed in this way, and after he had eaten the food and taken rest, now the king left from the ashram. तो वो उनका आशीर्वाद लेके वहाँ से चले गए. Now what is the thing that we learned from this lesson? That one is known by the company one keeps. तो जैसी संगत वैसी रंगत, हम जिसके साथ रहते हैं उसके जैसे हो जाते हैं. Now you can see the birds were brought up in different environments and their behavior and personality were shaped according to that. तो हम जिसके साथ रहते हैं उसके जैसे बन जाते हैं. So what we should do is we should choose the right friends because it has a great impact on one's personality. तो किसी भी इंसान की जो पर्सनालिटी होती है वो किस तरह से डेवलप होती है, उसकी कंपनी, उसकी फ्रेंड्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. सो हाउ शुड बी अवर फ्रेंड्स, दे शुड बी गुड. तो हर एक को ऐसा होता है कि मैं एक अच्छी कंपनी रखूँ, मैं एक अच्छा फ्रेंड रखूँ जो अच्छा है. आपके मम्मी डैडी भी कहते हैं ना आपको घर पे दैट उसके साथ बात मत करना, हाँ वो अच्छा लड़का नहीं है, वो इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे है ना, उसकी कंपनी रखना, आप भी उसके साथ रह के इंटेलिजेंट बन जाओगे. सो वाई डोंट यू डेवलप योर पर्सनैलिटी इन सच अ वे दैट अदर्स ट्राई टू कम नियर यू and others like the company of you. So we should be such that others like our company. Okay, so this is all about the lesson. I hope you have understood the story well. Now today what you will do is you will complete the story and describe the pictures and write in your own words. and then tomorrow I'll be sending you the question answers. Read the lesson from supplementary reading text and try to find the meanings of the words. The words which you find new, just jot them down in your notebook and write the meanings of those words. And tomorrow we'll be continuing with the question answers. Okay? Have a nice day. Thank you.